So the light blue dotted areas are the regions which are shallower than 1,000 meters. Okay, and the most significant of these regions are the Weddell Sea, which are shown here. So this is let's activate the mouse. Here's the Weddell Sea and the Ross Sea. And these two areas are central to the creation of dense water, the densest water in the oceans, so-called bottom water, because it is so heavy that it ends up on the seafloor and spreads along the seafloor. Okay, and this water is formed in the Ross Sea and in the Weddell Sea. Okay, but let's have a look how the ocean really looks like under the ice of Antarctica. And you will be surprised, because this one is probably what you know from your study at school, and it looks like it's a big continent sitting there over the South Pole. Let's have a look on the next slide how the bathymetry really looks like. The true bathymetry is hidden under the ice shelves, or in other words, there are actually large fractions are open ocean. And this is a map which shows you the water depth under the ice, and you can see these light blue regions here are regions less than 500 meters, with the darker blue up to 1,000 meters. So it's actually large parts of Antarctica is actually open ocean. Okay, and this one is really alarming because the ice is actually most sensitive to ocean heat changes. Not that much to atmospheric temperature changes, because it's always cold in the in polar regions, and so maybe the seasons change a little bit, and that does do something. But ocean heat changes have the biggest consequences in terms of melting. And these areas here, in particular on the West Spitsbergen region, here in this region, actually currently experience the highest melting rates. So it's all linked to global warming. Okay, and this is, you have to watch out in the news for these regions. And it's to do with the response of the ice to heat changes in the ocean. All right.